Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening. Welcome back. Day 24 of our 100-day challenge. Going strong, going healthy, going excited as always, and always feel good to come back and talk to you. And guys who are listening this video for the first time, this is a journey. We have embarked on a 100-day challenge where we are unfolding some true facts of life and make this life more happier and more fun. And do consider subscribing to my channel and share your thoughts and insights. So guys, today's topic was I was having a conversation with my coach, and I think that came out very well, is play your own game. And that's so very important. We try to always compare ourselves with others. We always try to judge and see what we have, what others have, what we don't have, and all those kind of things. There is always a judgment, there is always a need, there is always an expectation. But guys, like we have been talking in our previous videos, this universe has given us everything. This universe has everything for us, and we are a self-fulfilling prophet. So God has given us everything. So I think we need to drop that need, that expectation, that judgment, that comparison, and just be in our lane and just play our own game. Because if we are in our, because half of the problems will more, I think not half but maximum of the problems will get solved if we start comparing ourselves with others. Just be in your lane and let the Almighty does everything for you. So it's so very important. We tend always to get on the other side of the lane and try to get the things as what we want to have, and those kind of things, without realizing that we have everything with us. And if we leave that judgment, I think uh, your intention, your perception of that particular thing will immediately get changed, and you will have a different thought. You will start having a different perception about that thing. And it's so very important. I think when he spoke about this line today, it struck with me. I think yes, we need to play our own game. Everyone is as we have been talking, everyone has their own different environment where they live in, but one thing is common, that God has given us, every one of us, everything. And the only thing is, we just need to trust and confidence, and just let go and just allow the things to come to us. And Almighty is always with us. He's giving us, he's always blessing us with all the good things. The need is the not the need but the important is that we need to cherish those things what we have. Like we have been speaking in our previous videos, what unique thing we have in us. Cherish that this is what I am, this is who I am, this is what God has given me, this is what I have built myself. So be build those notions, those thoughts, those behavior, those actions, and everything will get difference in your life. And if you see in the game, in any sports, the person who is always best, he never looks what others are doing. He knows that he's the best and he can do everything. But if you would start comparing with him with others, probably he won't have his own game, and he will just follow the lane of other people, and probably he would lose his competence in that game. But the leaders are the one who never follows. Leaders are the one who always leads, and they know that they are the best, and they never compare with others. They know that they can do anything. So that's the important aspect of things, guys. Just think that you are the best, you have the best, and you are a leader, not a follower. Don't be a follower, be a leader. And just play. Again, I am saying, play your own game, be in your lane, trust Almighty, and let go everything. Stop comparing it, stop judging it, stop expectations, and things will become so easier and so simple in life. So guys, I think this was the important message I thought to share with you. As always, I really love to come back and share with this community, a small community. Thanks for all your love and all your motivation and all your insights and inputs. As always, my request is, consider subscribing to my channel. Share your insights, any topic you want to discuss, any topic you want to unfold, so that we together as a community get more understanding of that. Anything, any ideas, any motivations, or any thoughts how to improve this channel, about the background, about the about the name or any content, anything. I'm open for that. The intention is basically to make this as a strong knitted community, and also how to reach this channel to more people and get their insights and inputs. So guys, always looking forward for your responses as always, and thank you for the people who are sharing their responses, really motivating me. And do keep sending your thoughts, videos, thoughts, motivations, love and support. Till we meet next tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you so very much.